Meaning of emolument.
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 Emolument. Emolument refers to the salary, wage, fees or other forms of compensation received by an employee or office holder. This term commonly arises in discussions about corruption and conflicts of interest because it is important for officials to avoid receiving emoluments from sources that might compromise their impartiality or integrity. Emoluments can take many different forms, such as bonuses, commissions, stock options, or benefits like healthcare and retirement plans. In short, emoluments are a type of remuneration that is provided in exchange for work performed.